dark, but I hope that you guys can see. um I have the pork ham, it's called, for the grill. There's not much that you have to cut because you're gonna need all the grease. I don't want them to be too big, so I'm cutting them small. I bought like 10 pounds of the meat. Oranges, and I have lime. I'm gonna get some more for this 10 pounds of meat, but that's the basic. Lime, if you don't have sour oranges, don't make it because you're gonna need it. Be careful not to put all the seeds in there, but when you wash them, you're gonna be able to take them out. And then you cut them. And then you add some salt. Leave it for about 30 minutes before you start frying it because you want the salt to get into the plantain. Open up, you put too much. Try not to put too much water in the. I'm gonna put half of my plantain right now. Sometimes you really have to put a little bit of the salty water in it. Leave it again for about 5 to 10 minutes. It will get ready. Take it out, voila.